Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how I maintain my international friends. And what better way than meeting some of them?
Hey guys, my name's Emily and I live on the East Coast of the United States of America.
Hola, yo soy Sol, soy de México.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Rachel, j'ai 15 ans, je suis française.
Pessoal, tudo bom? Eu me chamo Davidson Kevin, eu moro na cidade chamada Maracanaú, aqui no estado do Ceará, no Brasil. Tenho 18 anos
Hola, mi nombre es Natalia, soy de Chile, de una ciudad que se llama Temuco.
Ahoj, já jsem Emma, je mi 16, jsem z České republiky, z Plzně.
My name is Callie, I'm 16 years old and I'm from a very small town in Saskatchewan, Canada. It's more of a village actually because there's only about 300 people, so it is very small.
So how do I maintain my international friends? Well, I follow these 3 steps. Number 1, I make sure that I talk to them frequently. I specifically like talking to them through Instagram. So whenever I meet someone, either in person or through YouTube, I make sure to give them my Insta. So how did I meet these international friends?
Gala and I met through the comment section of a video of a YouTuber we both like. I commented on the video and she replied asking if I wanted to be friends. So yeah, that's how we met.
Con Gala nos conocimos a través de un video en YouTube, en donde en un comentario puse una playlist de canciones en francés que me gustaban y conversamos por ahí un poco y luego me dio su Instagram y ahí conversamos un poco más.
J'ai rencontré Gala cette année, dans le même collège que moi.
Eu conheci a Gala numa postagem de francês, na qual ela respondeu um comentário meu. E então nós começamos a conversar, eu descobri o canal dela e por aí desarmou a amizade.
Yo conocí a Gala por un video de YouTube. Yo lo comenté, ella me respondió, me pasó su Instagram y entonces vi su canal y vi todo lo que está haciendo y se me hizo súper interesante.
S Galou se známe z komentářů pod YouTube videem.
I met Gala because she transferred to our school in the middle of the year and she didn't know anyone yet, so we brought her into our friend group and we all just got along really well.
And once I have their Instagram, I make sure that we talk about the things that we both love, which is usually languages.
Et j'apprends l'anglais, l'allemand et le latin.
Yo hablo español, inglés y estoy aprendiendo francés.
Eu falo inglês, espanhol e estou aprendendo francês.
I speak English and Spanish and I'm learning Italian in school.
Y bueno, los idiomas que hablo. El español obviamente es mi idioma maternal. Hablo inglés fluido. Estoy aprendiendo francés, italiano y recién comencé con alemán.
Number 3, we also talk about other things which they love and their other hobbies, which is a great way for me to be able to get to know them. Such as...
A moje zájmy, zajímám se o psycho.
And...
I really love art, like drawing and painting and movies and TV, really anything like that.
Also...
Some of the things I like to do in my free time include anything that has to do with performing, so singing, acting, dancing. I love all of that stuff. And I love being outside, so nature walks, swimming, all that stuff is right up my alley.
Also...
Me gusta mucho la música y tocar instrumentos musicales y tengo una gatita que se llama Lechuga.
Also...
J'adore dessiner.
Can't forget about...
Soy bailarina de danza aérea.
Y aquí una foto de yo haciendo danza aérea.
Isn't it amazing that with this, we can meet and talk to people from around the world? That is it for this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next week. Bye!
It was really nice meeting you guys. Bye!
Até mais, pessoal!